Hey, what's up everybody? Brent from Brenspeed. I'm pretty pumped today to show you this 2010 Sport Trac Adrenalin that we installed an Edelbrock Supercharger on. So if you've got a Mountaineer, Explorer, or one of these Sport Tracs with a 4.6 liter 3 valve, you're gonna wanna stick around, check this out. This is our stage 2 package, laying down over 400 real horsepower to the tires. I have Doug with me. We're gonna go take a look, show you what we've done. And hey, if you haven't, please subscribe and notify to stay up to date. Let's go check it out. All right, we are gonna make a dyno pull, so you're gonna get to see that. Before we go down and look at the engine compartment, I wanna tell you something. So we did our first Supercharger on my Mountaineer 463 valve back in 2009. That was a Saleen Supercharger. Saleen's got discontinued, and then we created our Stryker package with the Roush TVS 2300. That Supercharger's been discontinued, so now we're using the awesome Edelbrock TVS 2300 Supercharger. Doug, come down, take a look at what we have here. Fits awesome. We get the competition, cold air intake from Edelbrock, 41-pound fuel injectors. We're running on the stage 2 kit a 3.5 pulley. So we're about 8-9 pounds of boost. We're running 93 octane. We do upgrade the fuel pump with a fuel pump from DW. That works really good on the stage 2 kit. The stage 1 kit, you can use the factory fuel pump. And of course, this is an intercooled supercharger. I will put links in the description. You can open up, click on it, read a lot more about this kit. You'll be able to figure out how you get a quote on installation and a little bit more information like that. So right now we're gonna get this vehicle strapped down, check out this dyno pull. Okay, a couple things I didn't mention. I did say 93 octane. You can run this on any premium fuel. It's got to be premium. We can make a calibration for that, as well as we are running 1 step colder heat range spark plugs. Can't run a factory heat range in this kit, but we include those. Take a look, DynoJet SAE, 411 of the tires. And what I really love is this right here, 366 torque, and that torque comes in right when I go wide open throttle. Makes for a very fun truck. We are gonna take one more look at it. So Doug, come over here. You know, this fits the Mountaineer, Explorer, the normal Sport Trac, the Sport Trac Adrenalin. But kind of what made us want to do this, it's a 4.63 valve, kind of like what you have in the Mustang. Mustang Supercharger is readily available. These are not readily available, so we make this kit. So even though we're using an Edelbrock, it's not one that you can call them and buy. We have a kit that'll work on these right here. A lot of you, when the Sport Tracs came out, wish they were supercharged. Here's a solution. Doug, one more look at this awesome truck. I'll tell you what, it's a sleeper, and I do want to take one more look at the engine compartment because I think it looks really, really clean. Right here, you know, fits perfect. No hood clearance issues, anything like that. It looks really good. And of course, who'd think this has that much power when you come up, you know, to this thing on the street? You really have no idea what you're getting ready to go up against. So, hey, I'm Brent from Brenspeed. Don't forget, subscribe and notify. Check out our other Supercharged videos on these Sport Tracs, Explorers, Mountaineers, or Mustangs, whatever. Subscribe, notify, thanks. Have a good day.